Hello and warmly welcome to Scamper IT Services. Hope all is well. Alright, so some guys were saying their girlfriend is cheating on them. So they want to find out or find a way inspiring them. Alright, so inside these tutorials, I want to personally go on it. In the previous tutorials I emphasized more on spying your girlfriend's or your partner's phone call, and that was for educational purpose only. So this tutorial's disclaimer is for educational purpose only and not here to promote any illegal activity. Take note. Alright, so let's get started. You are welcome to Scamper IT Services. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turning on the notification bell to be alarmed whenever we drop exciting videos like this. Let's move. Alright, so you just move into your dial box. What you are going to do is, remember, we are here to erase call forwarding, or we are here to cancel call forwarding. Alright, so just go there, you just hash 002 hash 002 hash, then you send it. So you could see that call forwarding uh eraser was successful. That means that call forwarding has been removed. So how do you check whether it has been removed or not? You just the star hash zero star hash 62 hash star hash 62 hash, then use forward. Alright, so after forwarding that, you will see that not forwarding for voice, data, fax, SMS, sync, packet, pad. So this means that call forwarding was disabled from the account. Thank you guys for coming through. This is how to ensure that no one is checking your calls or no one is receiving your calls whenever it's not reachable. Thank you guys and warmly welcome to Scamper IT Services, and I'm out.